Hello, my people. How you guys doing? I greet you all. Welcome back to my page. So, in today's video, guys, we are making dinner. So, in today's dinner, we are having white rice and stew. As you can see, I'm preparing the white rice. All I need to do is to boil the white rice. I have my stew already in the freezer. All I have to do is to brought it out and warm it. So, guys, yeah, this is all we have for today. Please like, comment, share, and follow for more. Thank you for watching. God bless you. So I will leave you guys to watch the rest of the video. Bye.